A study of sleepwalking or nocturnal wandering was described in Neurology magazine, and it included information that 31.7 of 19,136 American adults have sleepwalked. With a 95% confidence level, find the confidence interval estimate for the true value of the population proportion of American adults who have sleepwalked. Would a reporter be justified in stating that more than 30% of adults have sleepwalked? Notice that there is no specific verbiage that says test the claim that. However, a reporter is making a statement in his article, so we are testing his to see if he's justified. His claim is referencing rho to be greater than 0.30, so your opposite is going to be less than or equal to. Since you always set the null hypothesis equal to 0.30, you're going to set the alternative hypothesis equal to your claim. With your confidence level of 95%, your significance level alpha is 0.05. Since the article only gives you a percentage of the sample, we need to find x. This is going to yield us a decimal value. So in order to meet our confidence level, we're going to need to round this up. For our confidence interval estimate, we're going to use the one prop z int. Our x will be the 6,067 sleepwalking adults we found earlier, and our n is the number in our study, with our confidence level of 95% or 0.95. Remember that your rounding rule for population proportion interval estimates is 3 decimals. We can now interpret the confidence interval. So we are 95% confident that the true value of the population proportion of American adults who have sleepwalked is between 31.0 and 32.4%. We can now make a determination about our claim using this confidence interval. Our claim is referencing the 30%. When making our determination, we're going to look at our null hypothesis. The null hypothesis is specifically working with the proportion being equal to 30%. Notice that 30% is not within our percentages located in the population proportion estimate we just found. Therefore, we're going to reject the null hypothesis in favor of our alternative. We can now write our interpretation. Since our claim falls within our alternative hypothesis, and we're rejecting the null, there is enough evidence to support the reporter's claim that more than 30% of American adults have sleepwalked.